Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something that affects all of us, aviation and its impact on our planet. Planes connect the world, boost economies, and make vacations possible. But they also come with a pretty heavy environmental price tag. Let's break it down and see how the industry is fighting back and whether flying can ever be truly green. The problem with planes. First up, the facts. Air traffic doubles roughly every 15 years, which is amazing for global travel, but a nightmare for the environment. Aviation already contributes about 2% of global CO2 emissions, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. But wait, it's not just CO2. Planes also release nitrogen oxides, sulfur dioxide, and even water vapor, all of which magnify their climate impact when emitted at cruising altitude. And let's not forget noise pollution. If you live near an airport, you know what I mean. Quick stat, in Europe alone, over 600,000 people experience severe annoyance from aircraft noise, with over 120,000 suffering from sleep issues. Now, let's see the takeaways to sustainability. So, what's being done about it? The aviation industry isn't just seeking back. They are investing big in greener technology. Sustainable aviation fuels. These are made from things like waste oil and agricultural scraps and can cut emissions by up to 80%. Sounds great, right? The catch? SAF production is expensive, limited, and adoption is still pretty low. Electric and hydrogen planes. They are the dream. Zero emission, quicker, and cheaper to operate. Companies like Zero Avia and Airbus are betting big on this, aiming for the first commercial hydrogen flight by 2040.
Oh wait, I need to present you someone. Bernard Everts. He's the director of the sustainability programs in Collins Aerospace, and we had the chance to interview him. In this interview, he spoke to us about the advantages in figures of this innovation, more especially for electric and hydrogen propulsion.
So hybrid electric propulsion, you can say this is gives you about 5 to up to 30% of reduction in CO2 emissions.
But battery technology, hydrogen infrastructure, and the high cost of research and development mean that progress is slower than we would like. But what big companies are doing? Speaking of Airbus, they are leading the charge with their Zero E program, designing hydrogen-powered planes in several shapes and sizes.
A rapidly growing hydrogen ecosystem is helping to bring low-carbon flight closer to reality. Hundreds of airports around the world have already joined the program.
Their goal? Net zero emission by 2050. Meanwhile, Collins Aerospace is working on hybrid electric engines with NASA. Powerful, light, and perfect for shorter regional flights.
At Collins, we are spending about $3.5 billion each year in research and development. And a big portion of that is directly or indirectly linked to sustainability technology development.
Both companies are also making their factories greener with renewable energy and waste reduction programs. Because sustainability isn't just what happened in the air. Global rules and regional gaps. But here's the thing, no company can go green alone. That's where international organizations like the ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization, come in. They launched CORSIA, a program where airlines offset emissions above 2020 levels. It's a good start, but critics say it's too reliant on carbon offset instead of real operation changes. In Europe, the EU emissions trading system pushed airlines to cut emissions directly, and it's really helped reduce aviation CO2 by 15%. But not every region can keep up. Developing countries, especially in Africa and parts of Asia, struggle with the technology and funding needed to match these goals. That's why global cooperation, including funding programs like the Green Climate Fund, is crucial to make sure that no country is left behind. Ethics and safety. Aviation isn't just about sustainability. It's about safety versus profit. Remember the Boeing 737 MAX crashes? Investigation showed rushed designs and inadequate pilot training, all the name of faster profits. The lesson, sustainability and safety must go hand in hand. Cutting corners for short-term gains can cost lives. So, can aviation go green? It's possible, but it's going to take a global effort, massive investments, and some serious innovation. The skies of the future could be cleaner, but only if we demand it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more sustainability content and let me know in the comments. Would you pay more for a flight if it was eco-friendly? Thank you for watching and see you next time.